case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a fascinating tale of a clash between a truck and a Boeing 747 aircraft, a monumental legal case, Kuwait Airways Corp. v. Ogden Allied Aviation Services, unfolded in 1989, heard by the United States District Court for the Eastern District of New York. The focal point of this case lay in the question of whether an owner or lessee of a commercial vehicle, damaged and temporarily out of service, could be compensated based on the theoretical cost of renting a replacement, even in scenarios where an actual substitute wasn't rented. The truck colliding with Kuwait Airways' Boeing 747 resulted in the plaintiff seeking damages for the temporary loss of the aircraft's use. The contested issue, with the defendant's responsibility for the damages already accepted, was now whether the plaintiff should be compensated, and if so, at what rate. Kuwait Airways appealed for damages for the duration of the 747's grounding, basing their claim on the supposed rental value of a similar plane. While they admitted not renting a replacement, they managed to service all flights using another aircraft from their fleet. The defendant, on the other hand, contested that because no flights were canceled and the available plane managed to accommodate passengers, there was no incurred financial loss. They further suggested that the plaintiff might even have profited from the ordeal, asserting that without tangible monetary loss, Kuwait Airways had no grounds to claim damages. The case took a twist when the court denied Kuwait Airways' request for a partial summary judgment. Instead, they proposed to focus on the substantive debate over damage calculations and the defendant's entitlement to propose an alternate method of measuring the same. The defendant threw a curveball into the mix by challenging the impact of the Airbus's profitability, which operated in the place of the damaged 747. The court ruled that the amount to be recovered over the 747's loss of use would be decided at trial, with guidance from Sections 4 and V.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.